Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a staging website in WordPress. So staging website is basically clone of your original website so that you can easily perform changes that you want. So for example, if some type of errors that you can see in testing, then you can avoid in your original website. So first of all, we can go in website dashboard and you can install a plugin. You can also go from here, and then next option is you can use this one, plugins, then click on add plugin. Now scroll down and here you can type staging and you will get multiple plugins. You can check one by one. So the first plugin is recommended and it is one click process so that you can easily perform and you can get a complete copy of your original website. So now I have activated this plugin. Okay, now let's skip and then scroll down, then click on staging sites. So now click here, create staging site. Then you can give a name. Let me add here name, this one. Then click on start cloning. And this process can take time depending upon your website file size. So if your website contains large files, then it can take more time. So this is just a demo website where I have installed Astra theme and pre-built template, so it can take 2 minutes. So let's wait. And now here you can see website is created. So let me go here, and now this is a form where you can easily log in. So you need to use the same login details